AI is a lot better at doing human things than we thought. There was kind of speculation that AI was going to take away more like labor jobs, but we actually realized that it's extremely good with emotional intelligence, especially when you start specializing your AI at specific tasks versus using, like a general model like a ChatGPT. I mean, when you take a ChatGPT model and you start training it to do something extremely specific, they become very, very good. We're already seeing like predictive behavior in which it realizes and predicts what a guest wants. Or we're already seeing it from an emotional standpoint. Actually, humans are not that good at regulating emotions. We get upset pretty easily, we get moody, AI doesn't. So, and again, we're at extremely early stages of this technology, and already what we're seeing is it's already better than humans in many ways.
So even in terms of like the guest upset, there's a problem at the property, or what about with reviews? If someone's left a bad review, AI can deal with responding to that review too, right?
Honestly, way better than I could. Or so we used to manage our own properties. We had up to 300 units at one point, and we had a full team that was dedicated to answering guest communications. And we actually have seen, since AI is being implemented, and we've seen it also in customers using our system, that even on the review management side, they have much better results than humans. You respond faster, and it's way more accurate, and it's really good at kind of taking really the emotion out and not giving that easily emotional response that you will give, because it's your property. You feel it's an attack to you, especially a negative review, and AI is really good at managing that.